Welcome back, guys. I'm up at the bees. Look at that, the bees have chewed the cardboard out. Well, someone's chewed the cardboard out, someone's pulled one out. But the bees will chew them and make them as high as they want. I'm going to do full inspections on them all today. Go through the lot, because I've got to make sure everyone's queen right for winter and stuff, because that end hive there, it's a bit worrying. Like in another video, someone watching commented it looked like a drone layer. It did have a layer, it did have like a frame of drones, but then it did have a frame of normal workers when I checked. So I'll have another look. If not, there'll be newspaper combined. Probably with the blue stack, because it's closest. Still not brought Rob Randall's bees up. Yesterday I educated myself and done me MVQ level 2 food and hygiene and allergens and safety and stuff. So we're a bit educated now. Brain hurts. Yeah, everyone's flying and busy. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Bee check. Full bee check. Okay, so just doing inspections. Hive 6 is full of brood. All stages of brood. I've been in 4 frames I've been in, and they're all the same. So Hive 6 is doing good. Hive 7, second frame in. Hopefully you'll see this on the camera. There's some beautiful coloured pollen in there. So I'll go through, see what's going on. Got the outside frames on all the hives. There should be like 2 frames at least of stores. So it's a 3rd frame in. Nice brood. Next frame looks fresh, so it should be fresh brood, I'd say. So I'll have a look. So yeah, next frame in. All fresh larvae all round it. So the queen in this one's good. That's Hive 7. Hive 8. It's got a good amount of bees from the scene. So I was up there cleaning the super. So we'll go through. So Hive 8, 3rd frame in. Nice bit of brood going on. Same on the other side. They've got a good amount of honey in the brood. Looks like they've got a ring of brood all the way across on this. So I'll go another few frames and just check, make sure we've got fresh larvae. So Hive 8, 2nd frame off the wall, fresh eggs, heavy frame. You have to be really careful this time of year that when you're doing your inspections that you don't mully your queen, that nothing happens to the queen, because you struggle to get another queen now if you get one at all. You can still probably pre-order some from some places, but yeah, you've got to be well careful now with your queen. So as long as I see the queen, they can, or fresh brood, you know, fresh day-old eggs, then I don't look for the queen, and I'll put the hive back together now. Move on to the next. So you're not needlessly like pulling the hive apart. Unless there's a problem or anything, there's no reason to. We'll verroa treat them all one evening this weekend, and then they're verroa treated on their first treatment. Yeah, it's good to see they're doing well. So the first 3 hives are doing fine. Now we're on to number 5. These ones are a bit feisty. Feisty bees in number 5. So we'll go through and have a look. We can only do half of that one, and the other 2, and then we'll check them other ones. So hive number 5. Whatever, 5th frame in, is all fully capped brood. both sides. And this frame had it was just polishing all that one up for the queen, so she could be over here, but we're just going to look for the fresh eggs, so I'll go that way. So we're 4 from the other end, and I did just see the queen. She's along the bottom of the frame somewhere. She's probably gone back around the other side. There's an old queen cell there. Shouldn't be nothing in it. Yeah, she'll be on this side. Oh, she's hiding again. She was definitely on here. Walking away along the bottom, look. Carry on, your highness. We come in peace. Shoot to kill, shoot to kill. Pop her back in the hive safely. Move on to the next. So hive number 1, middle frame, full of brood, fresh laid eggs, and to Royal Highness. Next frame along I can see brood and fresh eggs. So and they've got a nice good bit amount of stores on the outsides. So we'll lock these ones back up and let them get on with it. Box 1 is alright, they're doing good. All them ones are doing good. So we'll check that one on the end there, because that might be queenless. But we might end up combining this one, that one, and that one into a triple. A triple whammy dammy slammy. And we'll see. They're all trying to rob each other now, look. Because we've opened the hives, they can't get in, so. Yeah, 1 and 2 are fine. 3 is fine. 4 has got a drone laying worker. 5 is fine, 6 is fine, 7 is fine, 8 is fine. So number 4 needs to be combined with a double stack. We need to bring Rob Random's bees up. And then there is the other bees. So yeah, everything's good in the bee hood for another day. So doing the bee checks has kicked off robbing. They're trying to rob each other now. It's that time of year. So yeah, 2 hives. Hive to bring up. Hive to get queen right. Got smoke coming through the car. Got the boot open because the smoker's lit. It's smoking me through. That. Anyway, up to the other farm in a minute.